How to get wiped up. Today we're going to be making flan with cream cheese. You're also going to need sugar and milk for this recipe. First, start off by melting your sugar. Once your sugar is completely melted, put that into your baking dish on the side and let it completely cool. In the meantime, put 4 eggs into your blender with 8 ounces of cream cheese and a can of media crema. Also add a can of lechera into there, and then in that same size can of lechera, add milk. Throw that into your blender with some vanilla. When you're completely done, blend. Now you can add that to your dish that has your sugar that's been completely cooled. Once that's done, add that into a larger dish and fill the dish halfway with water. This is called baño Maria. Throw that into your oven at 350 for about an hour and a half. This is the finished product. I actually got this recipe off of TikTok. I'm going to tag the person below. It's completely delicious. 10 out of 10 would recommend. If you like it sweeter, substitute the cream cheese for a second lechera and the second can of milk. Hope you enjoy.
Spray your pan down, chocolate chip cookie dough, press it, layer it with Oreos, cut them in half if you need to, 2 blocks of cream cheese, smooth, 2 eggs, half a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla, pinch salt, mix it, and pour it on top of your cookies, and smooth it out the best that you can. You're going to take the rest of your Oreos, put them in a baggie, and beat the living shit out of it. Harder. There you go. And when they're all crunched up, you're going to just dump it on top as evenly as you can, something like that. Bake it at 325 for 35 minutes. Comes out like this. Refrigerate it for a minimum of 3 hours. Overnight is best. When that's done, before you serve it, pour the caramel on top, and oh my God.
1 package of regular Oreos, crushed. Remove 1 cup of the crumbs, and then stir in half a cup of melted butter and press it to the bottom of a 9x13 pan. Mix together the first layer ingredients. Use a mixer until it's smooth and put it over the crust and put it in the refrigerator. Then you take the 2 puddings, mix it with milk, pour it over the first layer, and then back in the refrigerator. Once it's set, add another 8 ounces of plain Cool Whip, smooth out, and then spread the reserved crumbs over it. Top with some chocolate syrup. You can add chocolate curls, chocolate chips, or any other candy you like.
What's up guys? Today we're going to be making Oreo fudge with just 3 ingredients. First up, you'll need 1 tin of condensed milk. Pour this into your saucepan. Then you'll need 510 grams of white chocolate. Add this to the pan and turn it onto a low heat. Stir the mix regularly to stop it from sticking to the base and burning. Keep stirring until it's completely melted. The mixture should be thick. Add your crushed Oreos and fold them into the mix, saving some for the top. Pour the mix into a lined baking tray and quickly spread it to the edges. Add the rest of the crushed Oreos to the top, pressing them in so they stick. Leave the fudge to set at room temperature or in the fridge to set quicker. Cut it up and we're done.
1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a cup of chocolate chips. Mix it all together. Divide into 12 and place on a prepared baking sheet at 350 for 8 to 10 minutes. Boom.
These Italian ice cream kisses are so easy and simple to make, and all you need are 4 healthy ingredients. Add 3 frozen bananas to a blender and 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and 1 cup of almond milk. Blend it up until you get a smooth ice cream consistency. It's so good, it honestly tastes like soft serve. Take an ice cream tray and fill it with your banana soft serve mixture. Top it off with optional toppings and place it in the freezer. Melt some chocolate and pop out your banana ice cubes. Dip them in the chocolate and coat them evenly. Place in the freezer until hardened. Want to know how to make these delicious low-calorie berry-flavored gummies? Add half a cup of almond milk to a bowl and 4 tablespoons of granulated gelatine powder. Turn pot on medium heat and add 1 cup of berries and a squeeze of lemon until it forms a syrup. Put your gelatine in a blender and add your berry syrup. Blend it up. Pour the mixture into ice cube trays or any silicone mold that you have. Place in freezer for a minimum of 1 hour and you'll be left with these delicious gummies that are so good for your hair and skin.
What's up guys? Today we're going to be making golden Oreo truffles with just 3 ingredients. First up, you need 9 golden Oreos. Crush these using a bag and rolling pin. Pour them into a bowl, then add 60 grams of cream cheese. Mix these together until fully combined. Scoop up about a tablespoon of the mix and roll it into a ball. Pop them on a lined baking tray and freeze for about 30 minutes. Melt 120 grams of milk chocolate, then coat the balls in the chocolate one by one. Sprinkle them with the leftover Oreo crumbs and leave them to set in the fridge. And we're done. Enjoy!
If you love iced coffee and banana, this one is for you. This has been my favorite for so long. So it's just cold brew, frozen banana ice. You can also add additional sweeteners as well, like honey or maple syrup or stevia. Blend it up and enjoy.
Today we're making hot chocolate. The one that I like to make is dairy-free. We're going to start by toasting a quarter cup of almonds. This is going to add a nice toasty flavor to it. Then add it to a bowl, along with the rest of the untoasted almonds, white rice, brown sugar, vanilla, salt, cinnamon sticks. Then pour in the water and let it sit overnight until everything is super softened. Pour it in the blender. Hopefully you won't make a mess like I did. I am a hot mess today. And then blend it up until everything is super combined. Next you're going to pour it through a nut bag or even a regular strainer works just fine. Then you're going to add some ice to some glasses and serve it up. If you want, you can top it with a little bit of cinnamon. This drink is so refreshing and delicious.
This is insane. All you need to do is mix up white chocolate chips, peanut butter, and then Oreo cookie crumbs. Mix it all together, put it in a container with parchment paper so it doesn't stick. Put it in the fridge to harden, and cut it up. Oh my goodness, look at that. You need a 2-ingredient fudge in your life. Over a double boiler or in the microwave and stir until smooth. Then you just pour in peanut butter and mix it in as well. Line a loaf pan with parchment paper and pour in the mixture, then drizzle with additional peanut butter. Put it in the freezer until it's hard, and then you can cut it up and enjoy. And store it in the freezer. It's getting cold at home. Why not try making your own marshmallows? They're so good. Bring these ingredients to a simmer and then whip them like crazy, like a lot. See, it's gonna look like that. And just transfer it to a pan. It's gonna start setting, so make sure you work quickly, and then put it in the fridge to fully set. Cut it all up, and I like chocolate on it like this. Enjoy. So I haven't made this recipe in forever, but it's one of the most popular and oldest ones on my blog. So just mix those up, roll them in a ball, put them in the freezer to harden for about